the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya, South Sudan, Ethiopia, and other nations, there's arts for everyone. Weddings, celebrations, courtship, and even mourning. The song in this performance tells the story of Google hunters and their favourite debate after a successful hunt. The antelope's head is the sweetest part. Performed during summer gatherings, it's a fun dance where individuals meet, share stories, and connect. Beyond the laughs, the song celebrates wisdom, unity, and the idea that the head is sweeter than the body, because brains and teamwork always win. It is now my pleasure